to you all. Thank you so
morning.
much. This is Ouch Palangi Show. We say good morning and a big bula and Rabinaka to all the friends listening in this morning.
Right.
To all the students going to school this morning.
Of course.
To all the parents, fathers and mothers.
Right.
Grandmamas and grandpas. Bikimin ngone.
Granddaughter.
Bikimin yo. Napakataw pali boli na matagri ko niya rin matapinaka. Sama chumay. Ano nang tangon baro takina Ouch Palangi Show.
Good morning to all those tuning in from the van, in the car, in the bus. They are facing difficulties in this morning to
Yeah.
wake up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some of us are very cold
Really?
because of the heavy rain in Suba.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, we are going to work today.
Don't worry.
Very collabs one position.
Who's?
Ngoy tolo na moto karto do ngati nangonongo.
Wait.
Rupsa from
Nakasi.
Nakasi.
Yeah.
Right, right.
Causing traffic jam
Yeah.
till Cornibia now.
Wow.
To Semi Boleta. To the driver of the MI346.
Right.
Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Some service station are underwater.
Underwater right now.
Right.
Here, Luka.
Laudala Bay.
Laudala Bay service station, 7
Right.
a.m. See, nearly floating.
Right.
Yeah.
Causing water is coming to your neighborhood.
Right.
Taman nilu.
See, look.
Taman nilu bro.
Koro ilang malkai now another one.
Yeah.
Nandirindiri, wenimbuku.
Right.
See, causing the water to come to the road.
Woo! Ang mga nagkakaroon na kami nakadikuha na muna tayo sa mga
Di na sara, men.
Ana buko ni Nraki may sa utaray ka tiko ng unungo. Akilay tiko na taong biniuda na kortura ng suba. Lubut tiko na bimo ng buda.
Yeah.
Lubut tiko man tanga sa na puno sa ng lubu ng
Yeah.
unungo. Sa station may lodala ya. Lubut tiko na ngona sarangango.
Iyo.
Dem tiko na bakadal kaya tiko.
The tutambau LM this one.
Oh bay.
LM72 when menabulokani to the city of Fiji.
Right.
Rabinaka.
Rochochi and also to LM627 Timoto Bolendua.
Right.
Boleh Rosami and especially to the Tarnaka taxi base, not forgetting everybody who doing the services
Right.
of transportation.
Rokobyo
Don't hold
Galida.
that, yeah.
Rokobyo Galida. Good morning. Good morning.
There's another accident in LDS Junction in
Right.
Princess Road. To all the drivers coming to Suva or on the way to Nusuri, please do take care while traveling across Princess Road this morning.
Yeah.
Makakira na pagkatalakas na donga dito may nakasi.
Look.
Andun makan tabari bing grabe ni Rups.
Yeah.
Sa kira chura na muning kangkaro na po dito kinaya.
That's why JO572 stuck in Cornibia now.
Yeah.
Right.
Jawa
Back
yaman
it
na
away.
pagkatalakas dito ko nakasi.
Yeah.
And matakabinan ko. To all the drivers, please.
Right.
Adhere to na itukutunin raki. And mataka di kuwa ni napakili chiko na tau ni uda. O
Right.
kilabi na numulori, kilabi na numbereki, kilabi na numtaya. Sakiri mo no gedaka takiko.
Yeah.
And no bugo diti kina roko bichu nga babinaka.
Right.
Na lawan ni nonda vito sek.
Flooding in Wailoku now.
Oi.
Who's?
Here.
Oi.
No flooding in Wailoku. Sayawa, Tamay Makelina, everybody, if you was facing flooding
Yeah.
this morning, please do share on Messenger of VTFM.
Right.
So that we can post it on Facebook,
Yeah.
so that people know
Right.
which routine to be followed today.
Right.
Or cancelling the program of today.
If
Don't
flooding
worry.
in Wailoku, which routine you will follow?
Who's
You, when you go down to Wailoku, because it's flooding in Wailoku.
planning to the mountain? Kaya tungan talana.
Okay.
Pita tawake, o topata.
Ano benak,
Yeah.
ano benak. Bikin ni ka da may relation na itutuin raki may nandi.
Yeah.
Iyo, irin nang kasi kila sartu kanan raki.
Yeah.
Dor kasi bera may resekila.
Right.
Please Messi, tell us some signs that there is a bad weather coming.
First of all,
Yeah.
our grandpa.
Right.
You see a grandpa,
Yeah.
pain on the knee, pain on the back,
Iya.
pain on the bone,
Right.
Iya.
pain in the eyes.
Right.
That shows the weather of raining is coming.
Oi.
Right.
Another thing, you see the small insect,
Right.
Yeah.
gaskalolo.
Right.
When you see the gaskalolo fulfill themselves with their different foods, causing their body to build a house.
Right.
Iya.
That means they are preparing their food because the weather is unfavorable to them.
You said
Oi.
it now.
Second all,
Iya.
Third.
that you'll see our house
Whatever. Collapse.
not collapse.
Oi.
The house will full of insect too,
Oi, okay.
Oi.
because they will
Intestine.
come. Huh?
Intestine.
Intestine ko rin na wandu.
How about when they say like this in when they present the grog?
Iya.
So sabi lang ko na bali.
That mean plenty fish,
You?
plenty food,
Iya.
plenty things,
Right.
plenty vasu.
Alright.
Jena Timbu is joining.
Oh,
Kasi ni taro ben Kuba Island doon bula binaka.
Alright.
Plenty, you know,
Iyo.
when fish na naido ini kakana.
Yeah, manipulate.
And a level.
Ah.
So that mean
Multiply.
Sesubilango. Tiko naman tani katuba.
Right.
Flies in front of your door. That means food in your door.
Oi!
Iya.
And the bulletin from the old man, grandpa?
Grandpa.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you see grandpa asking for grandma,
Yeah.
ma,
Huh.
please,
Mama.
mama.
Laba-laba Elno ni siya.
Ah.
What about the dog?
Security. Salah neta ramuki-muki boleh natin ay Tom.
Iya, iya.
Ay sasalu talagang dalay toka-toka. Lubu.
Iya, iya,
Suka
iya.
na taka-taka. Iya.
Okay,
Sometimes the
yes.
knee because some they blame the rugby.
Lumo
Yeah.
delito ko to kamo dito mo tolo mo libi
Maka studio ko makan tuwin na koro. Some of them blame the rugby. Some
Yeah.
of them blame the peer pressure.
But they have the truth.
They have the truth.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Not the bad weather.
Yeah.
When the rainy weather is about to arrive,
Yeah.
they can feel on their knees. They can feel on their back.
Yeah,
They
usar
can
namin.
feel on their head.
Apa
So
rutin
na
lagi?
makuha makawa, the oldest injured person in your life is becoming to evolve.
Iya, iya.
Right now you're getting old, Demesi. What are some signs you experience?
Not yet passing. Not yet
Oh,
passing. We
okay.
are in the 30s.
No, I'm not saying that that is
Yeah.
like some small
His
signs.
kneecap is cracking.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Iya. Saka ng bilong-bilong duruna.
Kada mengas. May defile tang may kondo na divorce paper. Kaya kereki kaya ng durunggu. Mga mo tayo, deactivate nung ako ni Facebook. No more.
Hindi ko kayo tambag gasing-gas ito nga.
Tama kasi. Namatama na tol. Yeah.
Kemarin kada ronga da pemurut sih na itu kutukin raki nandi.
Tir Sarah.
Radi ba kilit sih na lubu sa ba kilit sih na nanda po na ngongo.
Right.
Kira benta na gangara unti ko politik kira ya.
Everybody joining this morning, thank you very much to our two co-sponsor.
Right.
To Punjas, celebrating 90 years, and also to Vinod Patel.
Right.
Now, I'm Malwa family Korbo. What
Oh.
you gonna do, Mika, to solve this problem?
Oh, you have to do one big meeting
All right.
and
Are you still meeting in the house? Run away.
Oy, malu tu andar benak, mana wala muna siya mamay, ada bakal cikgu.
Wa molon tanay bu wa bulelenga.
Iya.
Do lubu wasama.
Explain.
Eh, na wa bulelenga.
How far the centimeter?
Siguro yung palam saro kalau nggak mau sa atitay.
We can do the opera there.
Oh,
opera
opera.
in Australia.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do another bridge.
All right.
there.
Julum.
Yeah.
Dong bula. Miriama loki tirosi ngor
Right.
nangon en rokan rokatunga.
Iya,
En
Jin.
rokan roka maive.
Bila sini.
Enak loka pa nga
Ada benar tu loa, ada benar kam na bala muna.
Wala ni atu salu jo
Bye.
matay.
Hey, vale, boy liku.
Why you run away when Vasu is about to arrive there at your place?
No, I never run away because the plan is for myself and Atu to come.
Why you ask Atu?
No, because we have to come and celebrate.
Atu still injured coming back from Laos and you want to injure him?
Hey, don't underestimate. Don't underestimate.
See this one closing the hand in the eyes.
Eh, apa?
Sakakana na
Saya na
matana.
roket ya pernah ngebin.
Oi.
I told the TV will
Yeah.
come. I'll go and pick Atu to come and celebrate his Koti.
Oh.
Yeah, because he's post Koti
Iya.
Emiren Ronro.
yesterday.
Atu because he's far there. It's 1 week or 2 weeks from Laos. Eh?
Don't worry.
So we will come. We want to spend time with the family.
Don't worry.
You know, very far there.
Whatever.
Katari na rokong ngoling, dong mula bilaka. Gay the team view, John Kumar and everybody joining this
I
morning.
was waiting for him to confirm the venue.
Yeah.
Can't.
Kus.
Oh, Jada Timbu.
Are, the venue coming to your place.
No,
To Basu?
that's the other day.
The which the karo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nakata karo dong bati.
Yeah. Matay lo ni tombo kalapong ko. Hello the beach, mamimbi na sa ubuki motor ni daw mula. Para masih din ngonong ko rabin dara kira bengala kin nakala may waitu.
Ya diri sana na matagal indra kiso ba ngam maru bina kana nanda di vale.
Iya.
Rabi itu betala kira mate pokang bibi na menta wini ngunu.
Iya.
Pembuta dele na kabang on basi kana matagal indra kibango. Indra kiso bango Mereka ku di bata tal vale belum benta sosu laile ni sule randara.
Right.
Indra kiso chikono banua.
Ken tatungan na nanda pakasama kenda na itumutumo ndare nga ni sini benga ni tinanraki kapakan tutako sa bati orangone na udiwai karle ni libutu na ngono ko.
Iya.
Binakata mo taru biko kun lebuli.
Right.
Biko nambaletan ni narni pa biko na lenga.
Spend time with the family.
Yeah. Me buke kina ng tambulan na basinga. Lubutal tungan ng dalen wawe langere. Wakani sila entry next to the Langere Bridge flooded 10 meters into the road.
Saja na.
Hindi na daw lubu-lubu siguro na nambo wabu sar ngai langger. Wabu sar ngai langger. Masa tambe tale pa kumbola kami pangko suba. Iya. Mula may mga nasi mo na market.
Aida.
Dulu
Due to the weather, be careful.
Iya.
Be careful. Daddy, if you want to go to work,
Yeah.
remember mommy.
Porque menina kada ke pakilan di pakai tawot siguro no mo drain.
Iya.
Sama kami rin ni teta ba?
Hindi sir. Follow me.
Meron tos raw. Kesa kan luma no compound.
Right.
Parang di balik kan mo tigo-tigo mo balik.
Alright.
Iya.
Dapat kang bimbita talaga men takilabi na kanangkalo. Kakunin daw burata. There is no relationship between water and air.
Iya, doon mo nak.
Siya ka na wekan raw na way ba't kinatangin. Sala ko minatangin lang, but if you want to take you, take you. Even though you are good friend.
Breeze.
Iya.
Ha?
Breeze.
Beres mereng ka na to. Iya, kita bicara apa sama ini bilang di sini kuat kita
Wow.
dari tabi.
Terus satu kono ko salu mo na way milolompu satu buta kay may sama lang kami numpal.
Cuma ke me. Kaya nga siya tali didikay, kaya nga irango. Walut. Hammer damage.
Pero
mundo ko.
Big kang
Like, heart,